So everybody good morning. Today I will write the syllabus of term 2. I have given that also in my e-portal. Besides that, everybody is asking me, so I am writing here in my class, and also recording also I will give to you, and at the same time I will do the revision from the grammar, and how the question will come, that also I will tell. So please, if you want, you can see and also you can write. Okay, from the text. Text means marigold. PT2 chapter, you know that the story of the road, the story of the road. If Ayush Mondal is there, please write. Let me see why it is noisy. Oishi, every day I have to do the mute. Don't you know that? Why? Ayush, every day you are asking me the syllabus. Please write it. Okay. Now, little tiger, big tiger, little tiger, big tiger. Next, my silly sister, my silly sister. Don't tell. He is my brother. He is my brother. How creatures move. How creatures move. And the next, sheep of the desert. The sheep of the desert. That is marigold. And grammar, here I am writing grammar, chapter number 15 to chapter number 29. Okay? So if any problem is there, please ask me. Now I'll wrap the board. After that, I'll start revision. Any problem, please tell me. Okay. Those who have seen in the e-portal, no need to write. You can check it from e-portal, but those who cannot see, that time you can write it. Dhriti, any problem, please write to me. Anushka. Okay, so today now I will practice from your first year grammar book. So from your grammar book, chapter number 15, 16, all these you know that, you are in that. Okay. So here that you are having that. So here understanding words are not there. I think you have written this first 3-4 chapters are there, and at the same time I will give the recording also. So question we will write. Question will write how the question will come from that prepositions, conjunction, cannot, should not, and also the short forms. Number 1, how the prepositions will come. If I am giving that Monday comes dash Sunday. So option will be there, number 1 after, number 2 before, number 3 between. So please write to me, or after, obviously that is after. Number 2, if I am telling that the fan or the bird is flying dash the sky. Number 1 in, number 2 above, number 3 between. So please tell me. Afreen, I think you are having some net problem. Please, once you leave, then again you will join. Please write the answer fast. Anushka, please write. No, not in. In the sky, we cannot tell that. Above the sky, in the sky, we cannot tell. Above the sky, okay, in the sky also you can tell, but if at the same time, okay, in the sky we can tell. We can write that before here, so no confusion is there. Number 3, we can tell that, okay, no need to write the above, in you can write, so no confusion will be there. Here, prepositions in front, behind, I am just telling that here, one thing I told you, in front means that board is behind of me if I am standing here. CBSE expression, what we have to do? CBSE expression, what I could not understand? Why the CBSE expression? I could not understand your question, beta Diksha. So here I am just doing the revision from that your CBSE expression from where you have got. I could not understand. Here, that like this, prepositions you are having also website. Okay, let me see. I did not see. When I'll see, I'll answer you in my e-portal. Okay. So the boy is walking dash his mother. Dash his mother. So number 1 on, number 2 in, number 3 with. So please tell that proper prepositions. Okay, please tell that proper prepositions. With, yes, very good, very good. And then next, please now do that revision, then I will tell after that. Okay, yes, with, it is very nice. So again, if I am telling dash look dash the pictures. Number 1 up, or I can give that at. Number 2 after. Number 3 before. So please tell that prepositions. Look at, obviously look at the pictures. So here we have to write like this. So again, if I am telling that another conjunction, I told you, you are having conjunction of and, but, or, because. Because some reasons we are using, but opposite idea or two ideas, but only one idea we can take, and we are adding two ideas, same ideas. So here and, but, or we are using for the conjunctions. So conjunctions, I am giving some, and one thing, chapter 28, chapter 28 in the grammar sections, it will be not there. Okay, understanding words, you are not in your syllabus. I am just telling you, chapter 28, it is not in your syllabus. Please remember this. Chapter 28, it is not in your syllabus. So if I am telling that, walk carefully, dash, walk carefully, dash, you might sleep. You might sleep. So walk carefully, you might sleep. Walk carefully or you might sleep. Very good. Next, if I am telling that I ran fast, dash, I missed the bus. Please tell the conjunction. But, very good. But, I ran first, but I missed the bus. I respect him. Respect him, dash, he is very honest. Because, okay, because that is the reason he is very honest. So, because we can give. So, this type of conjunction with option will come to your exam. So, here next we can go to the interjections. Interjections, I told you that some words that is expressing our sudden feeling, our emotions, and always we should give exclamation mark after these words. If I am telling that identify the interjections, alas, we lost the match. We lost the match. Just look, after alas, we are giving the exclamation mark. So, was, yes, alas, that is the interjection. That is expressing sadness. If I am telling that, bravo, well done. Bravo, well done. So here, bravo, bravo means I'm expressing praise, appreciating you. Somebody is appreciating, that is interjections. So like this type of conjunction, interjection will come. And another chapter is there, can, cannot, should, should not. From there also question can come. If I am telling a rabbit dash hop, but the tortoise dash hop. So here option will be there, could, should not. Number 2, can, cannot. Number 3, should, cannot. So which option you will use? Can, cannot. So please read the questions very carefully. So you can answer very nicely, it will be very easy. Okay, so can, cannot, we can take it. So at the same time, we should stand in a queue. Okay, again it is too noisy. Who is unmute? Anushree. Only Anushree. So, it is like this, okay, that tell Papa he should carry umbrella. So, please read the questions very nicely, and at the same time your text, maybe I will give some YouTube class tomorrow, but again I am telling like this, desert, sheep of the desert, okay, if I am telling that, you can answer me. Now I cannot write because time is less. Again I am asking that, what is the speed of the lion in the forest or plain? Please tell me the speed. Ayush, now you are giving so many exclamation marks or something. Ayush, please answer me. Diksha has given, Daksha has given, so 80 kilometer per hour. Ayush, yes, beta online. So, Ayush, please tell me what is the speed of the camel. You are not learning at all. Again, I have seen you have got some prize for the drawing. Please read. Okay. Please tell what is the speed of the camel in the desert. Ayush, you are not answering me. Second one, yes, they have given the 25 kilometer per hour. And do you know all the chapters? Please read. If I am asking that, where does the camel store his food? Where does the camel store his food? Hump. Yes, very good. Next, what is the meaning of silly? Silly, what is the meaning of silly? Meaning also, whatever meaning I have written, please read the meaning. Meaning of silly, please tell. Okay, that is another thing, that also another answer also, that if I am telling how many days they can store water in their stomach, that also. Feel silly means childish, silly means also we can tell foolish, whatever we can tell. Foolish also here, some foolish also we can tell. And another thing, if I am asking that, some things that, what is the meaning of giant? It's very big. Okay, that also we can tell. And he is my brother. What is the name of the, very big, what is the name of the girl who is carrying his brother? Do you know name of the girl who is carrying his brother? Meena. And how old is his brother? How old is his brother? 4 years old. Yes. And at the same time, why he is carrying? Why he is carrying? Because his brother was unable to walk. Ayush, what is this? Why are you just typing all these languages? So this type of words you should do, and also meaning at the same at the some words you will learn whatever I am writing for you. Like this twitched, twitched, T-W-I-T-C-H-T, twitched. Again I am telling, I told you that twitched. Some jerking is there. Okay, moved by jerking. By jerking. Please remember all these words. Yes, beta, but all the question will come in this MCQ questions. So please remember all these things. And if you are having again any problem, please tell me, so I can solve your problem. But again I am telling that understanding words will be not there in your grammar syllabus. Chapter number 15 to chapter number 29, 15 to 29, but 28 are not there. 28 are not there. Understanding words are not there. Understanding words are not there in your syllabus. Please remember. Okay. So please remember, and let me see who are in my class. অভিমন্যু গড়াই, ঐশী ঘোষ, অনিরুদ্ধ গোস্বামী, অংশিকা ভকত, অনুষ্কা কুমারী, অনুশ্রী দাস, অরিন্দম ঘোষ, আয়ুষ মণ্ডল, আফরোজ, দাক্ষা, দীক্ষা, আফরিন তামান্না. Those who are present, write P. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.